In this video, you'll learn how to set a logo on your WordPress site. By following these steps, you will be able to upload and display your logo effectively, enhancing your site's branding. Begin by accessing your WordPress admin dashboard. You can do this by entering your site's URL followed by /wadmin in your web browser. Enter your login credentials if prompted, and you will be taken to the main dashboard area. Once you are in the admin dashboard, look for the menu on the left side of the screen. Navigate to the section labeled Appearing. Hover over this option and a submenu will appear. Click on Customize to open the WordPress customizer. After the customizer loads, you will see various options for modifying your site's appearance. Locate and click on the option labeled Site Identity or simply Identity. This will allow you to change several key elements of your site's branding. Next, within the Site Identity section, find the button that says Select Logo. Click on this button to open the media uploader. Here, you can either choose an existing logo from your media library or upload a new image from your computer. If you are uploading a new image, ensure that the file size is manageable, as larger files may take longer to upload depending on your internet speed. Once you've selected or uploaded your logo, it will be displayed as a preview in the customizer. Take a moment to review how it looks. If you are satisfied with the appearance, proceed by clicking the Publish button at the top of the customizer. This action will save your changes and make the logo visible on your site. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.